China landed an uncrewed spacecraft on the moon's far side on Sunday, aiming to retrieve the world's first rock and soil samples from the dark lunar hemisphere. In the global race to the moon, where nations like the US intend to mine lunar resources to support long-term human flights and moon bases. Within the next 10 years, China's landing strengthens its position as a space power. At 6:23 a.m., the Chang'e-6 spacecraft, which was carrying a variety of instruments and its own launcher, made landfall in the massive impact crater known as the South Pole-Aitken Basin on the moon's space-facing side. The payloads carried by the Chang'e-6 lander will work as planned and carry out scientific exploration missions. The side of the moon perpetually facing away from the Earth is dotted with deep and dark craters, making communications and robotic landing operations more challenging. Given these challenges, lunar and space experts involved in the Chang'e-6 mission describe the landing phase as a moment where the chance of failure is the highest. Due to the lack of line-of-sight communications, the need to automate tasks, or the need to rely on numerous links in the chain to control operations, landing on the far side of the moon is exceedingly challenging. Automation is somewhat challenging, particularly at high latitudes where extended shadows can be highly confounding for landers. The Chang'e-6 lander will try to gather 4.4 pounds of lunar material over the course of 2 days and return it to Earth using a scoop and drill. After the samples are loaded onto a rocket booster on top of the lander, it will take off again, rendezvous with another spacecraft in lunar orbit, and return. It is anticipated that the lander will land on June 25 in the Inner Mongolia region of China. If all proceeds according to plan, the mission will give China a complete record of the moon's 4.5 billion year history, and uncover fresh information about the birth of the solar system. It will also enable an unparalleled comparison between the better understood Earth-facing side of the moon and the shadowy and charted portion. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos.